procedures in place and the necessary orders in place.
Health Minister James P.K. Sangma told the Assembly on Tuesday that the state government has identified a new site with 50-acre land for the proposed Shillong Medical College. While replying to the question raised by Knam legislator Adalbert Nongrum on the third day of the autumn session, Sangma said that they require a bigger plot of land to set up a 100-bed hospital and other facilities. Health Minister informed that they are moving forward after the cancellation of the earlier agreement signed by KPC Group. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma assured the House on Tuesday that the state government will speed up reforms and recruitment in the Meghalaya Public Service Commission. In reply to a question by Maulai legislator P.T. Saukme in the Assembly, Chief Minister informed that there are as many as 1,301 vacant posts lying with the Meghalaya Public Service Commission.
We are looking for an alternative site, and I would like to inform the Honourable Member and also the other members of this August House that the Honourable Chief Minister has been kind to provide us an alternative plot of land which is to the tune of 50 acres, and we are looking at this bigger plot of land so that it can also include not just the hostel facilities but a 100-bedded hospital or maybe bigger than that, along with the medical college to go along with that project. So it becomes a more comprehensive and holistic project.
The sixth fugitive, Rickman Lang Lamare, who escaped